Have you ever thought of running your business without a valid mission or vision statement? Do you know how critical is mission and mission statement for your company? His name is Nathan Bharat, founder of Impactful Business Hub. I am going to talk about how to evolve your vision and mission statement for your company. Let me take an example to begin this discussion. Mission statement reads like this: what's right for our customers in everything we do. But in 2017, when the Comptroller of Audits conducted the audit for Wells Fargo Bank, they noticed that there are a lot of fraudulent and manipulated documentation being carried out for credit policies, and their employees were creating fraud accounts to improve the growth of the bank. What's a huge difference between the mission statement and the actual value system of that bank? That is where you need to understand what is the relation between the mission and mission statement for any company. You need to be very clear on setting this mission and vision statement because it is going to decide where you will be going on your entrepreneurial journey. Once you set this mission statement, you know what is the destination you need to take and what is the path towards that destination. You might have heard elders saying, our thought creates our words, and our words will create our action, and our actions will lead to the effect of how we lead our life. Similarly, the mission and vision statement will decide upon what the value system your company will be running. Jamshedji Tata completely evolved India into the ranks of industrial nations. So, if the Tata's core value system has made that company to evolve from whatever they were in centuries ago to a big multi-billion-dollar company in India. So that core value system is what it drives Tata's growth all over these decades. Have you ever thought, should we keep the mission and vision statement constant over decades? Take the classical example of Johnson & Johnson. Till recently, they were having the mission statement of being the leader in baby product. But just recently, they changed their mission statement into we are a family company. My take on this is every entrepreneur, when he starts his business, should have a mission and vision statement set. But before evolving this, he need to consider what is the values and what is the core system which he need to follow and his company employees have to follow over a period of time. So these core values should be honored and being followed into the entire hierarchy of the company and all the decision makings they are doing. So that will decide on the company's future over a long run. So before setting the mission and vision statement, you need to know what are the core values you stand for and your company will be standing for, and what is that impact you are going to create on the society. So always you need to keep one thing in your mind, that this mission and vision statement can be evolved over a period of time depending upon the changing marketing scenario and dynamism. So you might have noticed a lot of businesses have lost their name in the market because they didn't know how to evolve their mission and vision statement over a period of time. So you need to also be ready to adapt this core values and mission statement when the market dynamism grows over a period of time. But your core or heart of the company's operation should remain constant for the entire duration of the company. So let me just give some few examples of the major companies and how their mission and vision statement is leading their organization to great heights. Let me take an example of 3M Corporation. 3M Corporation has core values as to support innovation, to protect individuals' creativity and to solve problems in a way that will make people's lives better. These core values had become the soul of 3M Corporation. But what it had made it stand apart from other competition is their leadership has evolved mechanism to make that the core values or principles are coming out into life and translate into action. So that's how the 3M mission statement is very clear, and they are doing every decision and action of their company's process following this mission and mission statement. So ultimately, you need to remember clearly that the core values, what you are going to set when you create the mission and mission statement, will decide the company's future, and you also should be ready to tweak this mission and mission statement over a period of time depending upon the market dynamism. Most of the entrepreneurs differentiate themselves from their company. You are not running your business, you are the business. It means your core values and discipline what you are maintaining will decide the core principles of your company. So the energy level with which you vibrate will attract your audience or your target customers. That's a famous saying called your vibe will attract your tribe. So that's it from me. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video and share it to your friends and near ones so that they'll get benefit out of this. If you want to join my community, please click the button below wherein I run a master class of how you can able to acquire your initial 0 to 100 customers for your company. So as a business owner and a startup founder, you will have always difficulties on attracting your initial customers because your product doesn't exist earlier and you are evolving the product, and when you are giving it to the market, you will have a lot of challenges initially. So my master class will explain on what are the strategies and tactics you need to adopt to take your product into the market and acquire your initial customers through impact. So welcome to my impactful business sub community and register for attending my master class coming Saturday at 8 p.m. See you live at my webinar. Thank you.